Have you ever wondered if you should follow trends or if you should stick to the timeless choices for your home? Today I will share with you 5 tips to find you a perfect balance. Hi, I'm Julie, an architecture designer, and I work with clients online, and I specialize with the residential. I work with family homeowners. I help them to create the perfect home for them. Let's dive in today's video. Tip number 1. Understand your personal style. This is above everything. Forget trends, forget what's timeless, forget everything. Choose what you really love. So you have to do your research about things what you feel like that they are for your home. Where do you feel nice? And always not just that, because sometimes we feel absolutely lovely in the hotel, but you have to dig deeper and find out why you feel they're nice. So I tell you why I like to be in the hotel, because there is no mess, there is no clutter. Basically, what we bring there in the suitcases, that's it. Everything else is nice and tidy, so that's why I love hotels. When the hotels is lovely designed, okay, that's absolutely top the bonus. But as I said, always dig deeper where that feeling, why you think you like something, where it's coming from, and that will help you with your design choices. Tip number 2. Always prioritize timeless choices for statement pieces. So what does it mean in real life? I would say dining table should be timeless, because it might stay with you for whole your life, but as well for generations. If you buy beautiful, perfectly done dining table, that's forever. Similar thing is about sofas. Sometimes sofa might be cheap because you just need something quick. But as a long-term solution, I would really do timeless choice for the sofa and keep it forever. Tip number 3. Use trends just for small details or things what can be changed quickly. For example, in the living room, you might like different type of cushions, changing them with the seasons. These kind of things can be absolutely super trendy, because you can quickly change it and there is no problem whatsoever. The same rule is for rugs, curtains. Curtains you can easily change with the season. Anything like this, like basically textile, is kind of things what can be changed very simply and very quickly. Some people can go even further and can change the paint on the walls. If you're that kind of DIYer who has no problem change the color of the walls every year or two, every 2 years, it's fine. But I would stick with the textile. Another quick trendy choices could be wall art or some kind of decor. It can be changed any time, and obviously it I'm talking about trendy wall art and not just like that you are going to the gallery. It can work. Artist might be trendy this year, and eventually it might be a brilliant investment for your family. Tip number 4. Mix and match different styles. That's probably my favorite, do things and how to design the home. It's basically having something minimalistic, clean lines and everything, but you can mix it with the vintage. Obviously, you need to be careful about things like that, but I think it always adds like character for the home, and as well, obviously, it can give the connection to your roots and your family. I always mix and match styles. Tip number 5: think twice if the trends actually work for your lifestyle. It's similar to the tip number 1. It can be trendy having a nice velvet sofa, but will it work for your kids? Will it work for your pets? Always think about how you live your life and what you actually want to accept and how to work like practically in your home before you jump on the trends, because in the end it's your home and it should have some kind of longevity, not just like wasting non-stop just because something's trendy, so we are buying it. So I wish you good luck with everything. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I see you at the next one.